If you know you're going to be moving pop and snack machines, I highly recommend getting one of these dollies that I use. It's super heavy duty. It has the double straps in case you're moving something slightly shorter. Some of the other models only have one strap, but this one is a double, and it kicks back at a 45-degree angle, which is nice too.
Dios mío, por favor, subscribe to our channel.
Next time you lose power on one of your E-series machines, 276E, 501E, and the 600E, check your control box fuses. There are 3 in here.
Hola, gracias for watching our videos. Please subscribe ahora.
When looking for a beverage machine, try looking for these live front or live display type. They display the product versus having to cut out the labels. They're a lot easier to swap out. Bye-bye!
Hey you, stop watching without subscribing.
Next time you are loading your candy shelf, try just pulling it out about 50% of the way so the product is still parallel to the ground, because if you don't, sometimes there could be a point where this whole shelf just falls all the way down, and you don't want that. So again, there you go.
Don't te ves scared, homie, subscribe ahorita. Tip number 4.
Next time you go to pull your cash out of one of your Mars bill changers, don't pull it out from the top yet. Pull the box off and give this portion down here a good inspection. Lift this bar up. You never know what you may find, which would possibly keep a bill from reading and crediting on your machine. Woohoo!
Don't forget to like and subscribe now.
Always carry sliders on you like these for carpet, and these are for tile or wood floors. And also these have the sticky. These are really good too for sliding across the floors, for cleaning behind the machines. They make moving the machines a whole lot easier.
Por favor, subscribe to our channel ahora.
Don't buy any pop locks with the number for the key on the lock itself. Good.